Are you going to lose your job to an AI like ChatGPT? The answer is honestly kind of complicated, and it depends on how you respond to the introduction of AI into your field. So let's dive in. With over 100 million users, ChatGPT has become the fastest growing consumer app ever, prompting Microsoft to integrate it into Bing. Experts agree that ChatGPT and similar AI models could disrupt the labor market, potentially replacing routine jobs in some sectors. However, many also believe that the technology will enhance the productivity of human workers instead of causing mass unemployment. A study by researchers at Princeton, the University of Pennsylvania, and NYU found that telemarketers and teachers could be the most affected by AI like ChatGPT. Within the education sector, post-secondary teachers of various subjects might experience the most significant impact. But the key word here is impact. AI might not take away millions of teaching jobs. Instead, these new AI tools could help teachers with tasks like catching plagiarism and developing teaching materials. AI's limitations may also keep it from fully replacing human workers. For example, even the latest version of ChatGPT has shown errors in basic math calculations and has exhibited occasional factual inaccuracies. Some routine jobs like language translators or phone operators might be entirely displaced by AI, but the vast majority of jobs are likely to see ChatGPT integrated into the job rather than replacing the job altogether. What some people fail to realize is that AI also has the potential to create jobs. AI-driven changes to the way we work could lead to improved productivity. A study by MIT researchers showed that ChatGPT significantly increased productivity for college-educated professionals performing mid-level professional writing tasks. The researchers found that weaker writers in particular benefited most from the introduction of the AI tool. Historically, displacement of jobs has been a main concern during technological revolutions. In the long term, however, increased productivity sets the stage for more employment opportunities. For instance, the automobile industry replaced jobs related to horses, but created many new jobs as demand for cars grew. Workers in affected industries might need to upgrade their skills to adapt to AI tools like ChatGPT to ward off job loss. Embracing and understanding these new technologies will help many people remain relevant and competitive in the job market. The ultimate success or failure of AI in each industry might be determined by customers' response to services delivered by AI platforms instead of humans. Many studies done before ChatGPT's release have shown that while consumers appreciate the speed and availability of AI consumer services, they will prefer the accuracy and comprehensive information provided by humans. A study involving hotel workers in Australia found that customers preferred dealing with human over AI. This suggests that while AI-driven change is upon us, there might still be a strong demand for human interaction in various industries that prevents AI from completely replacing these roles. As with past technological breakthroughs, such as the invention of the engine or the introduction of computers at workplaces, the nature of our jobs might change, but the need for human labor will not disappear. AI might be disruptive, but we're not looking at the end of work. A balanced approach to integrating human and AI labor might be the key to reaping the benefits of AI while minimizing potential job loss. Even Elon Musk admits that excessive automation at Tesla was a mistake and that human labor needs to complement technology. AI technologies like ChatGPT are undoubtedly causing some folks to panic, but the future might not be as bleak as they fear. By adapting to new technologies and finding ways to integrate AI with human labor, we can embrace the benefits of AI without losing the unique value that human workers bring to the table. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ChatGPT news and tutorials. Thanks for watching.